Our topic is Gate DEX BountyDrop. Join the IDOS airdrop and share 2 0 0 0 0 ID 2 log 20 log IDOS. Gate DEX BountyDrop is a one-stop hub that gathered the most popular airdrop project, offering users a fast track entry into interactive tasks. User can easily User can easily browse the latest airdrop project view, project overview, the interaction process, participation timeframe, and directly access project page through task link to participate. User can enter BountyDrop platform through Gate DEX and freely participate in interactive tasks for various projects, increasing the enhance getting airdrop reward. New airdrop launch IDOS. IDOS is the identity layer of Web3 enabling portable identity for the stablecoin economy with self-custodial data storage and seamless KYC orchestration. Click here to join no event detail. Event time March 13 to March 3 to March 5. Reward share a prize pool of 20 lakh IDOS. After the event end, 1,000 participants who have completed all tasks will be randomly selected to share 20 lakh IDOS. How to participate in airdrop tasks of IDOS. During the event, all interaction must be completed using your Gate wallet ARB chain address. Complete and verify all tasks to be eligible for airdrop reward. Hold asset worth at least 10 USDT are equivalent in GateDEX across the ARB chain. Follow GateDEX on X. Follow IDOS on X. Go to complete KYC process. Pad at least 0.01 Ethereum in the IDOS CCAC. Go to GateDEX and enter BountyDrop by the wallet activity page to participate. Additional notes: all tasks must be verified during the event period by clicking Verify to count as valid participation. Any task not verified during the event period will be considered forfeited. Rewards can only be claimed once if the same user participates with multiple Web3 addresses. Reward will be given to the Web3 addresses eligible for the highest reward. To ensure fairness, all reward recipients will undergo platform review to prevent sample attack. If multiple addresses from the same device participate, reward will be randomly given to one eligible address. Number 4. Gate DEX reserve the final interpretation right of this event. Any participants found engaging in dishonesty or cheating will be disqualified from receiving rewards. Risk warning: a project in BountyDrop or blockchain startup that are still in early stage. These projects may carry significant risk in terms of operations, technology, and regulations. Understanding blockchain startup and assessing their inherent risk requiring require advanced technical and financial knowledge. The project you participate in may show drastic volatility, and its price may increase or decrease significantly due to various factors, including technology, regulation, and market conditions. There is a possible that you may not be able to fully or partially withdraw from project due to issue related to the underlying technology or the gate platform. A cryptocurrency project carry high risk and price is highly volatile. The project does not provide any guarantee, price, assurance or break-even guarantees. Please ensure you fully understand and are capable of bearing the risk before participating. The platform strong warn of the risk and cannot assume responsibility for the com- compensating any investment action. KT March 13, 2026. K2 Crypto trade our 4400 cryptocurrency safely, quickly and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in welcome rewards. Invite friend and earn 40% commission. Okay, we will select the join now button to join this. IDOS BountyDrop 1000 winners share the rewards. Okay, ongoing connect the gate wallet ARB chain address, complete all verification and 1000 users will be randomly selected to share the rewards. A total, you can see that a total 20 lakh IDOS will be allocated as a reward. A 10 lakh IDOS will be shared among all eligible participants in the remaining 10 lakh IDOS will be distributed proportionally based on the contributions. IDOS is the identity layer of Web3, enabling portable identity for the stablecoin economy with self-custodial data storage and seamless KYC orchestrations. A total valid ARB chain asset less than equal to $10. Total valid asset on Arbitrum 1 0.00. Please ensure the requirement is met at task completion. Follow gate DAX on X. After X author, please click the open X and follow the gate DEX. Follow IDOS on X. After the X author, please click the open X and follow IDOS. Go to the complete KYC process. Please make sure to complete the KYC process. Otherwise, you will not be eligible to participate in campaign. You are unable to complete the KYC. The app, please participate in the campaign via the web variant. Join the event to unlock multiple rewards. Total reward 20 lakh 47,000 20 sorry 24 lakh 76,307.5 and participant at the current time 6 lakh 87,307. BountyDrop IDOS Bounty Sears Market. We will read KDAX of see the announcement. KDEX no sport mantra for future trading, margin loans, boots, copy, convert, and auto investment. 4/3/2026. KDX added new stock section with SanDesk, SNDK, and contract USDT. Gate DEX launch HDEX construct USDT million. KDX preps to launch stock and an ND sizes section with 8 USDT M perpetual contracts including RTX and GER 40. KDX future launches robo contract USDT million. Initial listing KTX will list Fabric Fabric Protocol Robo Sport Trading. KTX gas free spring season shared zero gas trading benefit. DEX gate-free spring season shared zero gas trading benefit. KTX listed USD 1 USDT contract USDT billion. KTX sport mantra OM migration to mantra and rebranding. KTX shape to market tracker and on-chain address collection and real-time tracker platform. KTX no sport mantra for future trading, margin loan, copy, convert, and auto invest. To offer more diverse trading option, KTX list mantra for future trading, margin loan, boost, copy, convert, and auto invest. Stay tuned and enjoy the experience. Future Mantra DEX contract USDT million is now available on Gate supporting 1 to 15 leverage trade Mantra DEX contract 8 and learn more about Mantra contract. Note: copy and boost trading for the above DEX contract are now available. A trading parameter adjustment to mitigate market risk and optimize user trading experience. Gate will adjust trading parameters including funding rates, uh, ticket size, maximum leverage, risk limit, and maintenance margin requirement as needed based on actual market conditions. Margin loans, the loan service, margin trading for Mantra are available at the same time. Mantra sample or flexible crypto loan and fixed crypto loan services are sport as well. A convert. The mantra convert feature is available, allowing user to instantly convert mantra to USDT or other sport tokens. Auto invest. The mantra auto invest feature is available supporting investment intervals such as early and daily gating. Okay, we will learn about more mantra USDT contract detail. Contract, contract detail, future rules, future introduction. Future overview. What is the perpetual future? A perpetual future overview. Gate perpetual future is a derivative used to invest in cryptocurrency. Derivative means volatility, change in something, effect on another. Similar to traditional future, the biggest difference is the perpetual future has no ex- expiry, ex- expirations or settlement data, allowing user to buy no longer or sell go short with greater convenience. Additionally, it offers higher leverage that gate currently support USDT perpetual and BTC perpetual contract. Trading mode. Gate offer two trading mode, live trading and demo trading. Live trading is a real trading mode where user must use actual funds from their account to trade. In live trading, users are required to pay actual trading fee and funding and profit and loss will be directly reflected in the account balance. Live trading carries higher risk, so it is recommended that novice users fully understand and familiarize themselves with the trading rules before engaging in live trading. A demo trading allows users to experience the function of perpetual future using simulated fund in demo trading mode. The trading interface and operation are consistent with live trading, but it is labeled as testnet. No actual fee are charged during demo trading, and the fund you are provided by the platform, allowing user to transfer up to zero point 0.1 BTC or 3,000 USDT daily without affecting their real account asset. Additionally, the balance in the demo trading future account cannot be transferred to the sport account. Con- Contract type. Contract type can be categorized based on the duration into perpetual contract and delivery contract based on the settlement currency. Contracts can be divided into USDT margin, USDT million perpetual contract, and BTC margin, BTC billion perpetual contract. Basic trading terms. In trading, you can choose to go long by if you are bullish and you will make a profit when the market rises. Otherwise, you will lose money. The opposite is true for going short sell. The following are some basic terms of future trading. Reward in future trading allow for large trade with the same principle and the magnify gain and losses. Margin. Margin refer to the principle you need when participating in the future trading and opening a position. Position margin is equal to initial position margin plus user adjusted margin in isolated margin mode. You can increase or decrease the position margin, but it cannot be lower than the initial margin required for position. Initial margin is the minimum margin required to open the position. Position initial margin is equal to position value divided by lever plus exist free. Maintenance margin refer to the minimum amount required to maintain the existing position. Position maintenance margin is equal to position value x maintenance margin ratio plus exist free. The maintenance margin amount is affected by the position value and maintenance margin ratio MMR, and MMR is associated with risk limit. MMR can be viewed on contract detail page. Mark price. Mark price is the based on the weight price of the external market plus a decaying funding basis rate over time. Gate uses the mark price to determine liquidation rather than the intraday trading price. Using the mark price help prevent malicious market manipulation and could lead to unnecessary liquidation while also helping to anchor the intraday trading price on the external spot price. For more detail, please refer to mark price calculation. Here is an example. User as user choose to buy spot BTC directly at a price of 50,000 USDT without using leverage. When the price of BTC rise by 5% to 52,500 USDT, user a return is 5200 USDT and the return percent is 5%. If the price of BTC fall by 5% to 57,500 USDT, user as unrealized profit and loss PNL would be 5,200 USDT with a return of 5 minus 5% minus 5 5,200 USDT with a return of minus 5%. In contrast, user B used to 10x leverage to trade perpetual future. He bought a 1 lakh contract equivalent to 10 BTC at the price of 50,000 USDT and initial margin was 50,000 USDT if the BTC price rise by 5% and user B position value increased to 50,000 50 5 lakh 25,000 USDT. User B unrealized profit would be 55,000 USDT with return of 50% if the BTC price dropped by 5% and his position value decreased to 4 lakh 55,000 USDT. User B's unrealized profit and loss would be minus 55 25,000 USDT with return of 50% and 50%. User A spot trading project, user B gate perpetual future trading. Gate user A spot trading 50,000 entry price USDT, no leverage X leverage 50,000 1 BTC value USDT, 50,000 1 BTC position margin USDT, 2,500 FBTC price raised by 5% unrealized PNL USDT 55,000. 5% return 20 minus 2,500 BTC price fall by 5% unrealized PNL is USDT minus 5% return percent user B entry price 50,000 leverage 10x value USDT 5 lakh 10 BTC 50,000 1 BTC and FBTC rise by 5% unrealized is 25,000 return 50%. FBTC falls by 5% unrealized 25 minus 2,500 25,000 and return percentage 50%. No, this example does not include the funding, a trading fee, entry and exit fee, etc. For more detail about liquidation, please refer to liquidation process. Liquidation. Please follow and like my streaming and join my live streaming. I'm working very hard. I request my friend, please join my live streaming and stay with me. Bundle of thanks everyone who will follow and like my streaming. Liquidations. When the margin balance is lower than the maintenance margin, thank you everyone who will follow and like my streaming. Please join my live streaming once again. I request my all the friends, please join my live streaming and pull up my streaming to the. So we will discuss about liquidation. When the margin balance is lower than the maintenance margin, example MMR falls to 100% or below, the position will be liquidated. Unrealized PNL is floating PNL calculated with the mark price as the exit price. The mark price at the time of triggering liquidation is the liquidation price. The liquidation process realized on the market itself. The insurance fund and the automatic and the automatic and the automatic the mark price at the time of trigger liquidation and the liquidation leveraging ADL system automatic deleveraging ADL system within contract, the MMR is fixed while the initial margin related to the lever. The higher the lever, the smaller initial margin, and closer it is the maintenance margin, making liquidation more likely. On the other hand, higher levers increase the return percent, meaning that risk and return are proportional. Suppose user A and user B both expect BTC to rise in the near future. When the BTC price is 50,000 USDT, user A buy 1 BTC in the spot market while user B uses at 100x. However, instead of rising, BTC spot dropped to 49,900 USDT. User experience loss 0.2% while user B loss rate reached to 20% due to high leverage. Insurance fund. Insurance fund. Liquidation is to close the position at the bank bankruptcy price. The bankruptcy price is the mark price at which the margin balance including unrealized P&L is equal to the exit fee. If the actual fell price is better than the bankruptcy price, the remaining amount, a lesser loss, will be credited to the insurance fund, which will be activated if the liquidation order is not executed by the time the mark price breaks the bankruptcy price. For more detail, please refer to the insurance instruction of insurance fund. Auto deval auto devaluing ADL. If the liquidation order is not executed by the insurance fund, ADL will be triggered and the user will highest return will be selected from the user holding position to reduce his or position in order to execute the unfilled liquidation order. Return ranking is based on unrealized P&L leverage Note, if the position in cross margin mode and the leverage limit has not been set, the maximum leverage of the position will be applied. The light on the gate website indicate the order of the current position in ADLQ. The more light are lit, the greater the probability that the position will be reduced. In case of ADL, even recommended to close and reopen position to avoid automatic position reduction. Position mode, cross mode and isolated mode. In isolated mode, the position margin is an amount of margin allocated to the position. It is equal to the initial margin at the beginning and may be affected by leverage, risk limit, and margin deposit or withdrawal. When the margin balance is less than the maintenance margin, the position is liquidated and the loss is limited to the allocated margin. In cross mode, all positions share margin and you can set multiple contract position in cross margin mode. Liquidation will be treasured. Okay, we will go back. See the market announcement. Gate Mantra, Gate EX and new stock section DEX. 85 winner 1000. Reward detail in 9 hour 46 minute 13 seconds. Total reward 2 lakh IDOS. Reward center, Connect Wallet, BountyDrop, Connect Wallet, you can share through continue with Google X account, your Gmail email account, continue with Apple, continue with Gate. So plenty of option in your hand. Quick wallet, Gate wallet. Here your Gate wallet extensions came here and download app are. You can protect with them. There are plenty of candy drop. DX API. Explore DX API. API documents. Developer console. Valid API. Explore API document. KDEX API. One step cross chain trading and market data API. Covering 18 blockchain 12,000 plus trading DEX sources and 240 plus market data DEX sources. Try no contact us. Product feature and advantage. Provide wallets, DE app and enterprises with high available low latency and smart routing trading and market data capabilities. Support quit request, order building and submission and management. 15 मिनट आ गए. हाँ 15. Aggregation integrate our 6 leading aggregators and gates self developed smart routing engine enabling 1200 plus DEX trading and 240 plus DEX market data sources. Multi-chain coverage. Support 18 blockchain with one-time integration for global access, performance and stability. Unified API specifications, error codes management, and smart routing that optimize gas and pricing. Developer friendly, a standardized API documentation and complete request response, complete for quick integration. Overview, coverage overview, category DX trading support, uh, 1200 plus DX spot quantity nodes from 50 plus aggregators and gate on routine engine. Market data spot 240 plus DEX node real-time price candlestick data and token info. Category chains spot quantity 18 chains nodes Ethereum, BTC, Gate Layer, Polygon, Arbitrum Base, Soluna and up to so on. GateDEX API, one-step cross chain trading and market data API. Try now, contact us. Try now if you can. Please join my live streaming, push my live streaming on the top. Once again, I request my all the friend, please join my live streaming and push my streaming to the top. Thank you everybody who will follow and like my streaming and stay with me. Which token are trending today? I can give the answer of your question. Which token? So DX API introduction. GateX API provides the developer with a comprehensive suite of decentralized exchange DEX aggregation capability, including price queries, authorization, trade, routing, gas, estimation, transaction, broadcasting, and order lookup, export, multi-chain, and multi-DX aggregation, enabling rapid development of trading application, a function integration, and ecosystem synergy. Aggregate liquidity from 18 public chains, including Soluna and EVM, along with our 1200 plus decentralized exchange to achieve optimal price discovery. Compatible with new token issuance platform like GateFund and Pump.Fund, enabling real-time access to trading, token market condition and price information. Thank you, great user, for joining me live streaming. 2271. Is Ethereum goodbye the dip opportunity? Yes. The Ethereum is going up because the BTC price is bullish and due to this the market moving upward trend. Yes. So you can see the functional integration and ecosystem synergy aggregate liquidity from 18 public chain, including Solana and EVM. Also, we will read this. A technical performance and advantage. API average response time is within 100 milliseconds. Service availability reached 99.9%. Last update 3 months ago. Trading API introduction provide aggregated trading functionality including display DEX, query, spot, blockchain, information, lookup, transaction, authorization, gas, cost, estimate, simulated trading, transaction, broadcasting and order inquiry. KDX will comprehensively calculate the price, slippage, and transaction cost through its smart order splitting algorithm. It selects the optimal fit for user based on the comprehensive comparison of ports from DEX aggregation. Gate spot chain. Retrieve the chain spotted by the current transaction API. Gate spot DEX. Obtain the list of DEX spotted for sweeping by the gate DEX aggregator protocol. Gate gas price. Dynamically retrieve estimated gas price for each chain. Request a port. Get the best price. Get the guest price through DEX aggregate transaction approval. Thank you everyone who will follow and like my streaming and get user kind. Thank you everyone who will follow and like my streaming and stay with me. Bundle of thanks everybody who will follow and like my streaming. So once again I am thankful everybody who will follow and like my streaming. Thank you so much everybody. Provide the transaction information required prior to the initiating approval. Sweep build your trade. Submit transaction. Submit to the transaction to the blockchain. A trade order status. Check the current transaction order status. Thank you everyone who will follow and like my streaming and stay with me. Bundle of thanks everybody who will follow and like my streaming. Thank you so much. Submit transaction. Submit the transaction to the blockchain. Trade order status. Check the current transaction order status. Order list. Query the list order issued from the broadcast interface. Market data API. The market API deliver real-time market data on chain information across multi-chain ecosystem. Developer can use this interface to access comprehensive core data including token market codes, transaction record on chain, interaction and account information, enabling them to effortlessly build professional market analysis and trading experience. The market data API aggregates market data from hundreds of DEX across the major blockchain ecosystems such as Gate, Layer, Solana, and EVM. It standardizes the data structure for unified parsing and processing, helping the developer efficiently integrate it and utilize the data. By leveraging the market data API, developer can build multi-chain market and portfolio dashboard, offer one-step DX trading experience within wallets, independently monitor real-time token price change using the API, analyze asset performance to identify the potential trading opportunities. Once again, I can connect the gate wallet ARB chain address, complete all verification, and 1000 user will be randomly selected to share the reward. A total of 2 lakh IDOS will be allocated as a reward. A 1 lakh IDOS will be shared among eligible participants, and the remaining 1 lakh IDOS will be distributed proportionally based on contribution. IDOS is the identity layer of Web3, enabling portable identity for the stablecoin economy with self-custodial data storage and seamless KYC orchestrations. BountyDrop. And here you can share with Google, Connect Wallet, Gate Wallet, Extends Wallet, Gate Wallet Web3 overview. Gate Web3 multi-terminal encrypted wallet. Gate wallet is an all-in-one crypto wallet that supports the multiple blockchain and works seamlessly across mobile, web, and browser extension. It supports our 166 public blockchain and million of tokens while seamlessly connecting to the thousands of D, uh, DAP apps, giving you instant access to the entire Web3 ecosystem as a decentralized, non-custodial wallet. Gate Wallet give you full control of your asset while offering innovative good backup for added security. It also comes with practical on-chain tool like batch transfer, batch import, and faucet center, providing a secure and efficient way to explore the Web3 ecosystem. So my topic is Indian, and we will meet next day with another topic and the energy. But I love thanks everyone who will follow and like my streaming. Our topic is Indian, and we will meet next day.